this is Mr. Fantastic Applesauce, and today I'm here doing another redstone tutorial, but for some reason I have misplaced my lab. Oh yeah, I built a new one, but I forgot where I placed it. Wait, is this it? Nope. Okay, so, where could it be? This could be another spot. I think it was, right here. Oh, there it is. And then there's a door. Yeah, okay. Wait, what? Okay. Yeah, this is my lab. Okay. So for now on, I'm going to make this my lab. But so far, I've got nothing in my command central area. But here's my redstone area, which hasn't been built yet, but I still have stuff in here. And this is my teleporter to the testing station, which I heard a weird noise earlier. And so far, I've built myself a reactor core for some reason. I don't know. It just keeps the lab stable and makes everything work fine. So I hope this thing doesn't turn dangerous. Then it'll destroy my whole lab whatsoever. Alright, so I think it is a redstone tutorial today. So first of all, I want to ask you, what is a good, catchy name for the Redstone tutorial series? Because I want to think. How about Redstone Ready? Comment in the description, yes or no. But that's my idea. So, I'll change the name if you want it. Okay, so here is all the redstone things that we need, but I'm not going to show you yet, because we're going to be doing something to do with Minecart today, as you've seen from the title of this video. So, we're going to be doing Minecart loaders and unloaders today, so that you can know how to transport your goods in bulk from chest to chest easy, with no trouble whatsoever. It's pretty easy now. But I may need to warn you that some of it may not work like you think. So why don't we go test it out at the testing station. Oh. That was a weird coincidence. Maybe I should open that up a little. None of these are supposed to be night lights, but I broke one, so I'll go put it back. I'll put it back. I gotta put it back. Where are you? There you are, light bulb. Oh well, I guess I'll just deal with it. This is another mistake. I hate preparedness mistakes. Oh well, that's just gonna... Oh, never mind. So, this is the thing that we're gonna start off with today. I created one of the best things, but this is definitely a patent pending machine, because I'm not gonna claim copyright or anything like that. But here is the easy loader, and you see this minecart going back and forth between the two stations. Well, that's because there is nothing in this chest or hopper, and then there's nothing to unload. So it's just going to keep going back and forth, back and forth. But I'm going to tell you how everything works with the easy loader. And then there's the most advanced loader you could ever make behind this wall here. But here's all you need. So you need the comparators, all that. It's easy stuff. It's the most resource friendly, or how do you say it? Easiest resources. Maybe I shouldn't have turned off daylight cycles. Turned on. Yeah, okay. So, I'm going to tell you how everything works. So, this chest holds items which will go into this hopper, which will turn on this comparator, which will turn off this torch, which will turn off this and this, making the cart stop. But whenever the hopper is done, then the comparator will turn off, this will turn on, and this will power the track, and it'll be on its way back to where it came from. Now, the unloader is a little bit similar, but not at all. So, whenever there's items in the minecart chest, then it goes down into the chest. The hopper goes into the chest, yeah. And then if there's any stuff in the hopper, then the comparator will detect it, and it'll turn off this torch, which will turn off this redstone, which will turn off this. So at a split second, once it rolls over it, then it'll just turn off the track. We'll do a demonstration with these apples that I conveniently found. Now, see how it works? Signs are not required in this video, so you don't need signs. But I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make one of them only. But there's also another model that's a little bit more heavier, but the best one's the heaviest. It's done. See? Alright, now let's check this. Nothing in there. And then let's check this once it's done. When it's done! That was weird. Look at that, we got all 64 blocks, or I gotta start thinking more. Apples, okay. So, let's go to the back where I could barely fit anything. And look at this amazing machine here. I mean, it looks complex, but it's a little bit easy to build when you get to know how to build it. Now, the machine will not work completely if you don't have this thing here. So, this is exactly the way you have to build it. This is exact construction, and also the rails. And I'll show you how to build it today. But the other ones, no. So, I will explain to you how everything works during the construction. Yeah, I think. Actually, I should do it now. So, whenever a minecart goes into the station, it'll go through this fence, but not go back out because of the hitbox situation. So, whenever you have items in here, like a full stack, then it will go through here, power this block, which will power this to block the minecart from going anywhere. But if there's stuff in the minecart, then it'll just if the minecart's full, then this stuff is gonna turn off and move this, but I think no. If the minecart's full, then it'll go through here, go through this block, and then go through this comparator, which will even out the signal through the 15 process, and then turn off this torch, turning off this, and changing the course of history with that block being removed back and that stick being moved. So that's a lot of complicated work to do, but for now, I'm just gonna go to the building station and wait till it's daytime. Wait, what time is it? Doesn't even look like it's moving. Well, this is my magic reset button. It lags very much. So, let me get started with the construction of the rails. And then everything will work out. Okay. So, let me just click this button. It's lagging so much. Everything's just gonna disappear instantaneously, or even crash my game, but that won't happen because of the condition of this device. Alright, it's resetting. I'm gonna go change it to day. Yeah. All reset. All reset. So, we need to do something about this. So, I'm going to set up the foundation and come back with a better foundation area. Alright. So, I got the daytime set and also all the resources that are needed. So, I'm going to show you the foundation so far. I got the loader all set and also the exact things that you need to do. So, most likely, you need to build this. Have about 4 of these for the demonstration. 3 powered rails to get it going. And then, 1 detector rail, and also one of these rails has facing up. So you need to place a rail right here between these 2 blocks, or on top of the bottom block. So I'm going to get the materials that you need to get this ultimate object doohickey. So I need to grab all this stuff, which is needed for this tutorial, and it's exactly in its precision of needing this. So what you definitely need is 64 blocks of your choice, 4 comparators, 2 redstone dust, 2 redstone torches, 1 lever, 1 hopper, 2 sticky pistons, 1 chest, and 1 fence post. So, most likely, for the first step, you would need to place your hopper right on top of this block, and then place your chest right on top. Then the next step, well, most likely it's another step. Your next step is to place a block on the detector rail and right here. And then place another one right here. And then place down 2 comparators right here and 1 right here. Looks pretty simple so far. And then what you want to do is above the second one over here, place a piston on top, and then, well, actually not there, right here. And then, right here, place a redstone torch. And then place another block right here. a redstone dust on this one. And then this. Also, don't forget I forgot to put this right in front of this comparator. And then you need comparator here. That's all the comparators gone. And then more blocks. A lever. Dust on. And then place the block like this. Redstone torch right there. If you could just get it just right, perfect, right there. Beautiful. I think that's the whole machine. Wasn't that hard? I mean, it's one of the most basic machines. So, we're going to demonstrate by adding a lot of things. Let's use these iron blocks. So, I've got like a whole load of these things. And I want to put it into hopper, minecart, whatever. So you definitely need a minecart hopper, a minecart chest, but a minecart hopper would be useful for not that many items. It can be transported through some other systems, but otherwise this is the most useless. I meant useful systems. Alright, so that's 64 in there. Let's get a bunch of random stuff that I don't need. Most likely, this is a machine used for bulk only. I mean, the other machine cannot be used to have lots of stuff. But whenever the minecart is full, whenever you have lots of stuff in the other one, then it will just keep the minecart there and it won't move. But this prevents that and also makes sure that when the minecart's full, it'll be sent on its way to be delivered. I don't know how it does that, but it's magic. So, we will start off with the demonstration. See how perfect it is? It connects with the hopper, stops with the hitbox from the fence post, and also turns on the detector to see how much stuff is in there. But since there's nothing much inside the chest, then this torch turns off, and there's still another way. If there's stuff in the hopper, then this will turn this off whenever it's done. But whenever there's stuff in the chest when it's full, then I'll compare the signal and then turn off this torch, retracting both of these things, and it'll be sent on its way no matter what. So let's check. It takes a while. Wait, what? How come it's not going down? Oh, it's passing through instantaneously. I get it. How is it even doing that? And I'm just gonna go pause the video so far right now and continue this in about 20 moments from now. Alright, so it's almost done. It took a little while, but it sort of broke while it was going because I was trying to open the chest to see how much was in there, but it failed. Look how perfect that is. So, it's done. So it went. And I have an idea. It's the best idea I've ever had. What's wrong with these tracks? I'm not letting it destroy me this time. That failed. Alright. Whatever. I'll just collect them. I mean, this worked out just fine. So, that was basically your redstone tutorial, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Now I better go, show you how my, reset button works, if I could actually get to it. Now, my reset button consists of many different things. Alright, now. I can't reset that. Okay, so it's a 300-mile high grass blocks, and it all resets back to air. So, most likely it's the easiest way for me to reset my command. This is also my command block tutorial area, so I could test in here. It's very high and very low, so it's all replaced with the same block. And there we go, it's all done. And then there's the stuff that is deleted. Hold on, I gotta kill all these things. I think that's how it works. Wow, I teleported myself. Alright, let's go back into the lab. Maybe I should rebuild this. Yeah, okay. Well, there's definitely nothing wrong with my generator, I'd presume. Alright, so let me think. Since I broke all those blocks, and if I break one block in this lab, then it could alter the whole future whatsoever, because, wait, there's nothing in there. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my goodness, what did I do? Okay, what would... Just that made this go unstable like crazy. I'm gonna destroy everything if I don't put that back. Oh no, please don't change to meltdown. I don't want my lab to explode. Please, I'm just so lonely, kid. I should actually add a security system into this place. Now, since... radiation! Oh my goodness, it's gonna kill me. No, I'm in creative mode. Well, I guess if anyone breaks this block, if anyone breaks this, my whole lab is doomed to an eternal meltdown. Since I don't have an operator back here to flip the switches, hold on, I need to see something. So, what happens when I push this? It actually looks cooler. Let me get outside to look at this. It actually looks better. Oh no. What have I done? If this block destroys this whole lab, it's going down the drain. I give up. I should probably add sirens. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, I guess this is it. Mr. Fantastic Applesauce wishes you a happy birthday. Oh yeah, it was my birthday sometime earlier. But you better wish me a happy birthday, everyone, because happy birthday is a great thing. Ow. Alright, I guess this is it. Mr. Fantastic Apple says, bye-bye. And I'll see you at my very next video. Oh my goodness, I hear something.